Today, I'll show you how to create a smooth before and after wipe transition using Filmora's erase transition. This is perfect for transformation videos, edits, or side-by-side comparisons. Let's jump in. First, import the two clips you want to transition between your before and after footage. Once they're in the timeline, let's add the effect. Head over to the Transitions tab and search for Erase. You'll see it pop up in the list. Now, simply drag and drop it right between your two clips. Let's tweak it to get the best results. Make sure the transition is set to overlap. This keeps the motion smooth instead of a hard cut. Enable the Include Trimmed Frames option to ensure a natural flow. Adjust the duration by dragging the transition edges in the timeline. A slower transition makes it more cinematic, while a faster one gives a snappy, high energy look. Once you're happy with the settings, preview the transition. Simple and effective. That's it. You've just created a before and after wipe transition in Filmora. This effect is great for makeovers, editing reveals, restorations, and creative video comparisons. If this tutorial helped, drop a like, comment below, and subscribe for more awesome Filmora tricks. See you in the next one.